Hi guys, welcome to Tech Trick Tutorial. Today we're going to talk about how to convert Figma design to website. It's a step-by-step guide to follow easily, and don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Let's dive right in. Now, the first thing you're going to have to do is of course, select the file that you would like to turn into a website. Now also in this method, we will be converting your Figma design to Webflow, and then through Webflow, you will be able to publish your design or your website into the internet. So to be able to do this, you're going to be using a plugin called Figma to Webflow over here. You're simply going to run this. You're going to select your design that you would like to export into Webflow. You're going to select a Webflow site that you already have in your Webflow account, just like that. And you could either choose from an HTML tag of div, section, link. You could make it responsive or not responsive. You could also help build your website through the use of all these options over here, the different plugins or the different layouts. And after that, you're simply going to copy to Webflow, and it's going to prepare and convert it into a Webflow website. After that, you're simply going to open your Webflow account, and you will be able to export or rather publish your website through Webflow instead. And that is how you will be able to publish your website from a Figma design. And that's it guys, hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.